Rich versus poor often comes down to one moment, the raise. Phil just got a big one. Let's see how long he keeps it.
Dad, I got the raise. 15 grand more a year. We are officially rich.
Congratulations, son. So what's the master plan for all that extra money?
Already handled it. Bigger apartment, nicer car, and I upgraded my phone, my couch, and my coffee.
So you spent the raise before it even cleared the bank.
I earned it. A bigger paycheck deserves a bigger everything. That's just math.
Phil, you made more money and somehow you're more broke. That's impressive, honestly.
It has a name, you know. When your income goes up and your spending sprints to catch it,
Sounds fancy. Is it a good thing? It kind of feels like a good thing?
it's called lifestyle inflation. Every raise, your life gets bigger and your savings stay exactly the same.
New car, new rent, new zero. Congratulations, you upgraded to a fancier kind of broke.
You don't have an income problem, Phil. You have a keeping problem. Let me show you. The poor ask, how much more can I spend? The rich ask, how much more can I keep? Same raise, opposite outcome.
Okay, but I make way more now. Doesn't more income just fix everything?
Only if you keep some of it. Watch what happens when the whole raise turns into bills.
So the $15,000 raise, where did it actually go?
Bigger apartment, shinier car, and a couch that costs more than the car. All gone.
A $15,000 raise is about $900 more a month. Phil spent all of it and saved nothing. Bank just half, and $450 a month starts working for you.
Fine, but everybody upgrades when they earn more. That's totally normal.
Normal is why most people earn more for 30 years and still retire with nothing.
The trick isn't earning more, Phil. It's not letting your spending hear about the raise.
The rule is simple: pay yourself first. The moment money lands, some of it vanishes into savings.
Pay myself first? But I already paid myself. With a very nice couch.
Pay your future self. Automatic transfer on payday, straight to investing before the spending starts.
You never miss money you never see. Phil, ask your old couch.
Keep just half of every raise, and let the other half improve your life. You still win twice.
So I can actually enjoy the raise and keep some of it?
Every raise can split two ways. Half quietly grows into your future, half you enjoy today. The poor spend the whole thing and wonder where it went. That's the whole game. The rich bank the raise first, then live on the rest.
Your money should get a raise too, not just your landlord and your car dealer.
Okay, new plan. I keep the couch, but I automate the savings.
Now you're thinking rich. A raise should build your future, not just your monthly bills.
So next raise, I pay my future self before the couch store?
Baby steps. Fancy future, sensible couch.
A raise is only a raise if you keep it. Automate the savings, enjoy the rest, and let your money start pulling its weight. Get a raise. Keep the raise. Pay your future self first, and every paycheck quietly makes you richer. Next time, Phil works 3 jobs while I nap, and somehow I get richer. Subscribe to Common Sense.